you want to change your birthday on TikTok, you can see this error, unable to edit birth date. In this video, I show you how to fix this problem, unable to edit birth date. For fixing this, click on three line, click on settings and privacy, scroll down, click on help center, click on chat with us, click on account. Now right here, I want to change my birth date. Now click on edit date of birth. Now enter your birthday here. Now click on confirm, done. Now I hope that you fix unable to edit birth date problem on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.